So this is first day of my bedroom renovation. It's not yet quite finished, but if you have been watching my previous vlogs, you would have noticed that I rearranged my wardrobe area. So I moved it to this side of the room instead, so that it would look a lot bigger. And then behind the bed, that used to be my wardrobe, but I'm gonna convert that into a portable, meaning removable, transferable bathroom, because I'm not sure, we might migrate somewhere else, so it's better that everything can be movable or transportable. Alright, so let's go this way. So excuse that, so I still need to sort this out. And then that's my laundry. So this is where I'm gonna put the portable bathroom, because it's very spacious, so I don't want to put that to waste. And then over here, that's where I transferred my coffee bar. Excuse the plant because it's leaking, so I might have to replace the pot. So this is called horsetail. I think it's a medicinal stuff. Anyway, yeah. So that's my camera. That's my GoPro camera, and that's my DSLR camera. My plant. Alright. That's goalie for relaxing. So I'm going to give you an update as to when the items arrived, because I ordered a portable sink as well as a portable cabinet. So that's that. And I'm gonna buy a small sofa as well, so that will be placed there. Excuse my hand, it says camera, which I am already doing right now. Okay.